Hi everyone watching this video. I am Kameshwari. I am working in GVN College as Assistant Professor of English. I am very happy to meet you through this video. And today I am going to talk about the very fundamentals of English, especially parts of speech, which is very important for beginners for speaking and writing, whatever skill it may be. But we should know these 8 parts of speech first. That's why we are calling this as fundamental of English. Parts of speech. These parts of speech are very important for English language as parts of our body. That's why I am insisting that this is the basic, this is the foundation for the English language learners, especially as second language learners. We should understand what are the definitions of these parts of speech and what are the functions of these speech. First comes noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. What is noun? Noun is just naming words. Naming words. Whatever it may be. It may be a name of a place, it may be a name of a person, or it may be a name of a thing. So whatever it may be. I call this as pen, or we can call this as marker. So it is a noun. So naming words are called noun. Noun is a naming word. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a name. Verb, that is an action word. Adverb is a word which gives additional information to the verb. And adjective is a word which describes the noun, and preposition is a word which links a noun to another verb. Conjunction is a word which connects two words or two sentences or two phrases. And interjection is a word which expresses our emotions like ah, oh, sh. These are the interjections. So, as I said, noun is a naming word, whatever it may be. Name of a person, name of a place, or name of a material. We can say a thing or object. So, example, Arun, blackboard, and Kovipati or Canada. These are the naming of places, a thing and a person. So these are called noun and pronoun. Arun. Instead of Arun, we can say he. Instead of blackboard, we can say it. And instead of these places, we can say it too. So these are the words he, it. These are the pronouns which is used to refer a name. That is pronoun. So when we talk about pronoun, we are having important pronoun I, we, you, he, she, it and they. These are all the pronouns we used in the place of subject. So we have seen what is noun and pronoun. And what are the functions of these two parts of speech in a language? Yes, these are used as subject and object of a sentence. For example, Arun plays cricket. There are two names, that is Arun is one and cricket is another name. Arun functions as subject. At the same time, cricket functions as object. So, noun functions as subject and object. In the same way, pronoun also has a same function. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Instead of a name, I use the word I. That is called pronoun. This pronoun functions as subject. And I give one more example for object function, objective function. Meena gave me a gift. Here Meena is a subject and gave me. Me is the pronoun. This is the pronoun which is used as object. So, you have a question as a beginner, what is object? So, object is a word which gives answer for the question what and which. Meena gave. What she gave? What she gave? So for that question, what is the answer? A gift. So the answer is a object. The answer is an object. So then you can ask, then why we say me? So it is an indirect object. To whom she gave? To whom she gave? For me. So this is the indirect object and gift is a direct object. So like noun and pronoun are used as object and subject in a sentence. And what is verb? We are having two kinds of verbs. One is action verbs. Another one is auxiliary verbs. So what is the difference of these two verbs? Action verbs has its own meaning. It has its own meaning. For example, go, run, stand, write. These words has own its meaning, but at the same time auxiliary verbs. For example, do, does, did, has, have, had, and etc. So these auxiliary verbs, does it has any particular meaning separately? So that's the difference between action verbs and auxiliary verbs. And then we can come to the function of verb. Function of verb means verb used for identifying the tense. verb is used for identifying the tense. This is the very important function of verb. This is a very important function of verb. So look at these examples. She goes to temple. She goes to temple. She is going to temple, and she will go to temple. So through these verbs only we can understand what is the action going on, or it is what is done and what is going to done. So whether it is happening or happened or it's going to happen. So this is the verb which helps to identify the tense of a action. So subject and verb is very important for a sentence. Adverb. Adverb means add to verb. That is a easy technique for remembrance, that is addition to verb. A word which gives additional information to the verb, that is called adverb. For example, Megha played chess well. So Megha is a subject and played is a verb. How Megha played well. How Megha played. So the well, this verb gives extra information to the action word, that is verb. So it is called, it gives additional information to the verb, so it is called adverb. Right? And adjective. Adjective which explains noun, which is in the place of subject. That is called adjective. For example, Rangila looks beautiful. So this word refers to whom? Beautiful refers to this noun which is in the subject place. So Rangila is beautiful. So this word explains the noun. So this word is called adjective. Another example, the boy is clever. So this word clever refers to this boy, so it is adjective. I hope it would be very simple for you identifying adverb and adjective. So never forget, a word which gives additional information to the verb, that is called adverb, and which gives additional information or explaining noun or subject, that is adjective. Don't forget it. And we can come to the next one, preposition. Preposition word links noun to another word. Noun to another word. For example, Kalpana meets her uncle in a meeting. So here in is a preposition. It links a noun and another noun. That is preposition which links two words. That is called preposition. And next parts of speech is conjunction. How preposition links two words, in the same way conjunction links two sentences or two phrases. That is conjunction. Two sentences, two phrases or two words. That is conjunction, which connects two sentences, two verbs and two phrases. That is called conjunction. And the last word, but it is very least, not but the least, but it is very easy to understand. That is interjection. Hi. Wow. How? Ooh. These are the expressions of our emotions. So these words are called interjection. These words are called interjections. That's all. These are the parts of speech we should know as the fundamentals of English. So can we recollect that once again? So what are the parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech which is used for enhancing the skills of writing and speaking, which is very important. Without them we cannot complete the language, we cannot make a sentence or we cannot speak a sentence. So these are very indispensable for the language. Not only in English, as in all languages, these parts of speech much helpful for improving our language. So as a second language learners and those who are in the beginning of the learning stage, they should first know about these thorough on this 8 parts of speeches. I hope you understood. You can understood well through this video, and we can meet at next video very soon. Thank you.